Disney Genie is a service that is available at Walt Disney World to enhance your touring of the parks. You will find Disney Genie in your My Disney Experience app on your phone. Disney Genie is a complimentary service that has a day optimizer, wait times for rides, virtual queues and more. While Disney Genie is complimentary, there are other options that you can pay for to limit your time in line. Genie Plus is a service that you can pay for and price varies depending on the day and the park or parks that you are using it for. For example, a Saturday in Magic Kingdom will be more expensive than a Tuesday in Animal Kingdom. Genie Plus can only be purchased on the day of use, starting at 12 a.m. This is important because if you purchase it at 11:55 p.m., it will be credited for the previous day. Your first Genie Plus Lightning Lane, skipping the long lines, can be made at 7 a.m. for Disney Resort guests or park opening for those not staying on property. You can then book additional Lightning Lanes either directly after using the first one, or 2 hours after park opening, whichever comes first. This is a great way to make sure that you experience all that Disney World has to offer. Another great way to skip the lines is with individual Lightning Lanes. Individual Lightning Lanes are offered for a select ride or rides in each park. Currently, Tron, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Guardians of the Galaxy, Flight of Passage and Rise of the Resistance are the attractions that offer an individual Lightning Lane. These experiences can be booked at 7 a.m. on the day of use for those staying on Disney property or at park opening for all other guests. The last way to experience attractions that do not have a standby line is to book a virtual queue. At this time, Tron in Magic Kingdom and Guardians of the Galaxy in Epcot are the only two attractions with virtual queues. You can join the virtual queue at 7 a.m. if you are staying on Disney property or at park opening for all other guests. Disney Plus, individual Lightning Lanes and virtual queues can be confusing. If you need help navigating, email me at mousecountdown@gmail.com.